Hello, teacher and classmate. My name is José Antonio de Sonegar. Today, my project is The Secret of the Frozen Sand. The village of Lunasol awoke enveloped in a thick silence. The tower bells did not chime down the river. eh, Seemed to flow in slow motion. Time had stopped. This was all due to the amber hourglass, a legendary artifact guarded at the top of the tower. It was said to contain the very essence of time. Elara, a young woman from the village, remembered her grandmother's words. If time stops, it's because the amber hourglass is empty. It is only filled with the patterns of a river and the power of memory. She climbed to the tower chamber and found the clock. It was large, dark, and only a handful of fine golden amber sand light still at the base. Elara realized that the sand was sand but solid happy memories to feed the clock and start time. She had to those moments. She closed her, she focused. She remembered the warm smell of freshly baked bread from the bakery. She recalled the mother continuous louder. She left the soft song on her skin after the rain. Each memory, each moment of genuine gratitude and joy turned into the golden particle of light that followed from, from her toward the artifact. Led by the particles formed a constant stream. The amber sand at the bottom being to ascend slowly toward the narrow neck, driven not by gravity but by the power on the of happiness. When the clock was filled wholly, a powerful hand resonated. It was the first chime breaking the silence. The river regained its right. Uh, Bill sang live at Lunaso Rumset. Elara smiled. She left the amber hourglass. Now recharged, snowing the time in Lunasol was now the measurement, but a gift that most appreciate, appreciated in very moment. Finish.